Hi guys, welcome back to my channel once again. I hope you had a nice week or a nice weekend, I don't know, but today we are having a nice day because I'm about to unbox something here which I shipped from the United States. I bought these things from eBay. Most if not all of you guys know what eBay is. It's an online platform where you can purchase your stuff and they can be shipped to you wherever you are living. But let me just enlighten you on what you need to know when you're shipping your products. So I shipped my products using a shipping company located here in Kenya who have an office in the United States. Why I'm saying that this company I shipped it was easy and it was so convenient, it's due to the fact that first the pricing, because they charge $15 for a kg, which is quite nice. Not forgetting that this 15 USD, it includes all the taxes. Everything, I did it in just a few minutes and I was done, like ordering. After you've done your order, you pay for the goods, but the shipment fee, you'll pay after the good arrives. So without further ado, let's get to unboxing this one. And if you haven't subscribed, just hit that subscribe button and let's get to it. Comment down here, just give us how your experience was. Here we have the video camera microphone. Finally, this is how it comes. So you have a small mic here and it's covered, so I'm gonna put this later on. I like how new things smell. These two cables are the ones you connect to your camera. You'll connect this one to the camera hot shoe. Yeah. Oh my god. To use a mic, make sure that your camera has a microphone output. If you want to start vlogging and you want to buy a camera, always check that it has a mic output. So, and here we have a very cute leather bag, guys. This is so cute. Just look at this. I like it. The second item, I don't know what it is. Let's open. Let's open this. Let's open this baby. Wow. Okay. Wow. Okay. So here we have a GoPro remote. I know you guys were waiting for me to say it's a GoPro. No, this one is a GoPro remote. So it means that we have a GoPro coming, take nice shots underwater, or when you want to just be a spy. Not a good idea. No, the actual product is so heavy, man. Happy birthday to you. Inside here, this is the final package that I'm opening. So they're really covered them nicely because these are very fragile gadgets. Look at all this. I didn't expect it to have so much things as I'm seeing right now. So the whole package, and it has a lot of accessories. This one is the GoPro Hero 4. The GoPro Hero 4 actually, it has dropped prices right now. Like you can get one with just the casing. These are the casing. So if you buy right now, you can buy this one with just the casing at around maybe $70. Yeah, but as for this, I bought it at, was it 80? Yeah, somewhere around $80-90. Such a small camera. You can tie it anywhere. So I'll just show you the main stuffs here. You have the GoPro, you have the head strap. Maybe you can put also your GoPro here. Let's say if you're hiking or when you're swimming or diving. The other important things are the casings. You need the casings to protect your GoPro against any form of water or dust or just anything. This one, it's just like a selfie stick but for GoPro. The main thing here actually is the GoPro and the stuff that I've shown you guys. That's it for this box. And of course, you remember we unveiled this remote. This remote will help you to control your GoPro. These two packages, let's open and see. Maybe they sent at a Valentine's card because we are nearing Valentine's. Here we have the SanDisk Extreme Pro 64GB SD card. Like from now on, I won't be worrying about my the space in my camera. This one I bought it at around let me check for you guys, just a minute. It was $18, which is super nice. So again, we have the SanDisk 128GB. Wow, this is really amazing, specifically for the GoPro. That's all for this video. If you want to get into more details on this, I have a whole written guide. It explains the best companies that I used, the best shipping companies that you could also consider when you're shipping your products, the detailed process of making an order until you receive your package. I mean, it's so broad, and I'll suggest you just click the link down below and check it out. We are so much growing. Right now we are at 800, and just the other time we were at 600. Thank you so much guys for subscribing, and see you in my next vlog. Bye.